Hello boys, so we have here start we have here a stacked rectangles and somehow they form a pyramid, and if I were to guess, these rectangles have the same sizes. So let's utilize the box shadow here. So 200, the height is like maybe 50, 40, 30. Okay, and then the color is this orange, yellow. Position, absolute, margin, auto, top. Let's go first with the topmost. So negative value 200 pixel. That's too much. Like 110, 120 pixel. And then left 0, bottom, and also right. Yeah, let's push this to the top. 200. That, check the diff. Push this 10 pixel more. Alright, then to the right. Positive 90, 190, 170, 60. Okay. Yeah. Then next is this left side. So box shadow. We can easily utilize the box shadow. So the horizontal offset is negative like 20 pixel, and then the vertical offset is a bit on the bottom, so 20 pixel. I mean 30. Sounds good. And this is, let's push this to the, let's uncheck this first. Let's push this on the left side by 100 pixel like that. Check again. 100, no, 160, 50, 40, yep, 140. And then the color is this. Yeah. Actually, this box shadow accepts 5 parameters, but we only pass 3 because that's all we need. That's the only thing we need. It accepts actually the position, the first 2 is position, the third parameter is for the blur effect, the fourth is the size, and the fifth is the color. But we only need these values here. So let's push this on the bottom. On the right, so this is positive, and this is 60 to push this on the bottom by 30 pixel. Let's drag this in the left. Too much. 0. Yeah. Okay, 0. Just don't push this on the top or on the left. So like that. And then wait. Let's push this on the left. Negative value 20 pixel. It's not the same as the top. Is it 20? Yeah. Copy again. And let's push this by 30 pixel on the bottom, and on the left this is like 100, 120. Yep. And then copy again. 120 on the bottom, and on the right side is 40. Yeah, I've seen the pattern. So, but 20 pixel, just add them 20 pixel each time, every time you go down. So, on the vertical, add 30 pixels, so this is 150, and on the horizontal, add 20 pixel, so this is 100. And just copy this, comma, paste, this is 180, and add 20 pixels. So this is decreased by 20 pixel because this is on the right side. On the left side you add 20 pixel, but on the right side you decrease 20 pixels, so 60, negative 60. And copy this. Lastly, for the left side is, let's uncheck this. This is the last value here is 100, so minus 20, that's plus 20, so 80, negative 80. And what else? Yeah, push this on the bottom by 30 pixels, so 210. Lastly is the background, so the last box shadow here is the background, so 0, 0, the blur is also 0. This size is like 200 pixel, just enough to cover the space. Nope, that's not enough. 210, 270, 250. Yeah, let's go with 250 because that's a good number. Then copy the color like that and submit. We actually utilize the back shadow at its finest, 100%. And okay.